In this question number 4, Shivanand and Shankaranand are the partners. Here are also two partners. One is Shivanand, another is Shankaranand. Chartered accountants. They also share the profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2. After providing salary 20,000. Here salary is 20,000. Here also salary 20,000. Each partner's salary 20,000. This salary goes to profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. Then capital balance goes to balance sheet. Drawing, deduct in the capital. Work in progress, income and expenditure account, debit side. Sundry client fee. Work in progress goes to income and expenditure, debit side. Sundry client goes to balance sheet, asset side. Okay. Fee earned, income and expenditure, debit side, credit side. Provision against dues from client. It goes to balance sheet, asset side. Sorry, liability side. Balance sheet, liability side. It is a provision liability. Provision liability. Then deposit client account for expense is the liability goes to balance sheet. Library book, asset goes to balance sheet. Then office expense, office equipment, asset goes to balance sheet. Expense is a expense, goes to income and expenditure, debit side. 50,000 is the expense. Out of 50,000, 4,000 is related with client. 4,000 is related with client. So you deduct 4,000. In the income and expenditure account, you deduct 4,000 and your expense is 46,000. And the same 4,000 you deduct in the deposit, client deposit. Client deposit is 30,000. In the 30,000, you deduct 4,000. Balance sheet. In the balance sheet, deposit, you deduct 4,000. In the income and expenditure, debit side, you deduct 4,000. Okay. Then bank is the asset, goes to balance sheet, client and office. These two goes to balance sheet. Okay. Now you see the adjustment, and one more is here, creditor for expense 2,000. This goes to balance sheet, liability side. Okay, that goes to balance sheet, liability side. Then work in progress. This is the closing work in progress, year end. It goes to income and expenditure account, credit side. Income and expenditure account, credit side, and balance sheet, asset side. Then they ask to depreciate library books, office equipment by 10%. Okay, so you depreciate. This depreciation comes on debit side of income and expenditure account, and in the balance sheet you deduct in the respective asset. You deduct in the respective asset. The next is each partner has his own car. Car owner is the partner. Car owner is the partner, and car allowance 6,000 rupees charged per annum. So car expense charged is a expense to the profession and income to the partner. Therefore, car expense you take on the debit side of income and expenditure account. Car expense you take on the debit side of income and expenditure account, and then car expense, debit side of income and expenditure account, and then you take on the capital, add in the capital. Next, the head clerk of the firm is paid commission 15% on collection. So this commission debit side, you take 15%, and it is outstanding liability balance sheet. Okay, in this way, you complete it. Clear? Now you see the solution. These problems already completed, but for record purpose, I am engaging. I complete all the problems online. I complete all the problems online and upload in your YouTube. Okay. Some problems are completed in A class and some are completed in B class. Therefore, I am taking all the problems online. You see the income and expenditure. In the income and expenditure account, first you take work in progress, opening. Second, you take the office expense, 50,000 is there. Less client. Out of 50,000, you deduct 4,000, 46,000 is balance. Then depreciation, you calculate library books, 6,000. On library books, you calculate 6,000. You cook equipment, 1,000. Total 7,000 depreciation you charge. Thereafter, manager commission, 15% is there. 15% on fee. 2 lakh is the fee. On that, you calculate 15%, that is 30,000. Then car expense of each partner. First partner car expense 6,000, second partner car expense 6,000, total car expense 12,000 you take. Okay. Then credit side you take fee earned 2 lakh, work in progress 20,000. Work in progress 20,000. Then close the account 2,20,000 is the total. Then difference surplus is 1,09,000. 1,09,000 is the surplus. You take that in the appropriation account. In the appropriation account, and distribute salary to partner. Salary to partner is 40,000. Then 69,000 is the balance of profit. 69,000 is the profit. You distribute in between partners. First partner 41,400. Second partner 27,600. Okay. This is the income and expenditure account. Then after completing income and expenditure account, you go to balance sheet. You go to balance sheet. In the balance sheet, you take capital, add NP, add salary, add car expense. Okay, these are the already explained. You take the capital, add partner's income. Then deduct drawing. If you deduct drawing, your balance is 67,400 is the closing balance of Shiva's capital. First partner capital closing balance. In the same way, you calculate second partner balance, capital balance. Second partner capital balance, you calculate capital, NP, salary, car expense. You take these items, total 83,600. Then less drawing. Second partner closing capital is 51,600. Next, you take the provision for outstanding fee. 40,000 is the outstanding fee. Manager's commission outstanding is 30,000. Then creditor for expenses 2,000. Then client deposit is 30,000. In this deposit, you deduct the client expense given there. Client expense is 4,000. You deduct 4,000. Client balance is 26,000. Okay. After completing this problem, I will take a break of 10 minutes. And again, you rejoin. Remember this. After 5 minutes, I will take a break of 10 minutes. Thereafter, you rejoin. Okay. In the office equipment is 10,000. Less depreciation 1,000. 9,000 balance. Okay. Second is books. Books value is 60,000. Less depreciation 6,000. Balance is 60,000. 54,000. Then next you take the cash. Client is 30,000. Office is 64,000. Client account for fees, that means debtors, 40,000 is there. Work in progress, you write 20,000. Closing work in progress, 20,000. Then take the total. The total is 2,17,000. 2,17,000. This is the problem number 4. Problem number 4. Okay. Clear.